So let's run it locally. And run.js, what we need to do is actually call min character nft. Hide the following lines to run.js just under where we point out the contract address. Print out the contract address. Okay. Let's just copy it. Okay. When we do mint character nft2, how it will actually call the function with the default wallet is set up as for us locally. So admin manager sender will be public address of our local wallet. This and the reason how it is so nice. It easily let us use default local wallets. This is usually a massive pain to set up yourself. This function token URI is something we get from ERC21 since we inherited from it. Okay, here it is. Excuse me. Basically, token URI is a function on every NFT that returns the actual data attached to the NFT. So when I call game contract dot token URI, it's basically saying go get me the data inside the NFT with token ID 1, which would be the first NFT maintained, and it should give me back everything like my character's name, my character's current HP, etc. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Pixetel hit know to hit token URI since that's the standard way to retrieve the NFT metadata. Let's try running our contract again. Remember, the command is npx hardhat run script run.js. So let's run it.